Hey guys, I'm Flo, and as promised, here's the recipe for plantain fufu. I'll be using unripe plantains, also known as green plantains. Unripe plantains have so many health benefits. Please look it up. You can use as many plantains as you can finish. First, wash the plantains thoroughly. The bunch of plantains are placed in all manner of places, so the skin is dirty, and when peeling it, your hand will touch the skin, then go on to touch the peeled plantains. That's why you need to wash it very well. The same goes for ripe plantains that you want to fry. Just like bananas, plantains have a natural peel, so just make a cut and peel naturally. Then slice it up like this. Unripe plantains are not as soft as yams when cooked, so you need to slice them thinly so they can be evenly and well cooked enough to be mashed into a smooth paste. Put in a pot, pour enough water to cover them and start cooking on medium heat. Cook till you can easily crush the plantain pieces with a fork like this. You do not want it too soft, neither do you want it too hard. Decant the water and set that aside because we will use it later. The first method of turning the plantains into fufu is by using a potato masher. Put the pot of cooked plantains back on the stove, this time on the lowest heat if you are using a gas burner. If you have this kind of vitro-ceramic cooker, no need to turn it on because the residual heat from cooking the plantains is enough. While mashing, if it is putting up too much resistance such that you absolutely cannot mash anymore, add a little bit of the water we used in cooking it and continue mashing. Mash, mash, mash till the pieces of plantains are crushed. Don't add too much water, even if it's hard at this time. Try to resist that temptation. When all the pieces of plantains have been crushed into a paste, follow up with a wooden spatula. Mix with all your power till you achieve the smoothest plantain fufu. It's perfectly fine now, but at this time, if you want it softer, you can add more water and mix very well. Plantain fufu has the tendency to harden up when it cools down to a comfortable temperature, so play around with different consistencies when making it. Cover and leave it to heat up for about 1 minute. Mix once again and it's ready. The second method you can use to turn the plantains into fufu is to use your stand mixer, just like I did with the pounded yam. You can also use a blender like I did with the pounded yam. The fourth and my favorite method is using a mortar and pestle, the traditional way. It's my favorite because the pestle crushes the plantains very well and the plantain fufu has the perfect consistency. Pound as much quantity as your mortar can allow while giving you room to crush the plantains very well. With the mortar, make sure you have crushed every piece of plantain before adding water. I did not even need to add water to this one. Which one is your favorite method? Wrap with a plastic film or put it in a container with a cover so it does not dry up. Serve immediately with any Nigerian soup for fufu. Enjoy!